What if salon-quality nail art could start right at your fingertips? Today, we're revealing the nail artist's secret weapon. Meet this complete nail art toolkit. Designed for beginners, DIY lovers, and professional nail artists who want flawless results every time. Start with the dotting tools. Different tip sizes help you create flowers, dots, hearts, marble designs, and detailed patterns with precision. Next, use the ultra-fine liner brushes to draw clean French tips, delicate swirls, geometric patterns, and elegant nail art lines. The precision detail brushes make it easy to create tiny flowers, leaves, butterflies, and detailed artistic designs. Flat brushes are perfect for applying gel, blending colors, creating smooth gradients, and achieving a flawless professional finish. Add a luxury touch with the fan brush. Sweep glitter, shimmer powder, or soft ombre effects effortlessly. For the best results, begin with a base coat. Apply your favorite color. Create your design using the brushes. Then seal everything with a glossy top coat. Just a few simple techniques can transform ordinary nails. They become stunning salon-inspired masterpieces. Whether you're just getting started or you're an experienced nail artist, this complete kit is designed every manicure easier and more creative. If you're serious about creating beautiful nail art at home, this versatile kit is a great addition to your beauty collection. Want the complete hands-on tutorial and full review? Click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe,